What's up, Golf Noobs? Welcome back. We're here at the beautiful Groves Golf and Country Club. Getting in an emergency round because my game has been trashed. I'm trying to work on some things, see if maybe I can't find some kind of substance to my game. So we're here at the second hole. It's a par 3. The Bushnell watch showing we're going to have 128 yards to the middle of the green. So that should be a 9-iron for me if I hit it right. That's a big if. But I guess technically we're here on hole-in-one watch. Oh boy, that's a good shot. Wow. Where's that been all my life? I just hit that into the back of the green. So that went 135 yards. I'll take it. So, well, no hole in one, but now we're on birdie watch. Look at this pond. Isn't this beautiful? Absolutely stunning. All right, Golf Noobs, let's go. You can cut it off now. We'll just splice it together. All right. So, second hole here. Beautiful tee shot. Nice baby draw. Back of the green. Looks like we got, I don't know, what do you think, Mads? 12 feet there?
Yeah.
So we're on birdie watch. Let's see if I can get a birdie. I haven't had one now in 3 rounds. Be nice to get that monkey off my back. Oh wow, look at where this landed. Check this out, Matt. Landed right there. That is pretty good, folks. Guys, always fix your divots. You don't even need a divot tool. Take a tee, push it in to the center. Don't pull up, just point it into the center. Tap it down with your foot a little. Smooth it out with your putter. Good to go. Good course etiquette, all right? A little uphill putt. I think it's gonna break a little left. Let's see if I'm right.
Ooh.
Oh, that's okay. Hardy har, that'd be a par. All right, stick around, Golf Noobs. What's up, Golf Noobs? We're back on hole-in-one watch, the famous number 5 par 3 here at the Groves. Been in a slump lately, but playing pretty well today so far. Bushnell watch survey says 145 to the middle of the green. So in theory, that should be 7-iron. We got the course to ourselves today. It is 3 o'clock in the afternoon, about 90 degrees, heat index approaching 100. So all the smart people are staying home, except for the bug that is trying to attack us. All right, Matt, it's behind me here so we can get the down the line view, please. All right, let's see if I can't put one on the green. Oh, that's another gorgeous shot. That's all over it. Oh, but a bad bounce. Oh, that was really unfortunate. What's up, Golf Noobs? We're back here on birdie watch, if you can believe it. My putting's been atrocious. My short game's not been very good, but I just stuck a 60-degree wedge from 86 yards. Need a new head cover. So this is pretty good. Let's see if we can get it to go in.
Nice.
Birdie.
Woohoo!